In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning cookbook in Canva. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and very easy to follow, whether you're collecting family favorites or putting together a polished recipe collection. All you need is Canva and your recipe photos. First, open Canva on your computer or the mobile app. Once you're on the home page, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Cookbook. You'll see a variety of professionally designed templates. Take a moment to preview them and choose one that fits your style and the tone of your recipes. When you click a template, it opens in the editor, so you can start customizing right away. Begin with the cover. Click the title text and edit the cookbook title, then update the author name. Choose a clear, descriptive title that tells readers what to expect, and keep the author line simple so the design feels clean and inviting. Next, replace the placeholder images with your own food photos. Drag and drop your images into the existing frames. If you need to adjust the crop, double-click to reposition the photo or use the crop tool. High-resolution, well-lit photos will make your cookbook look polished and mouth-watering. Now move inside the cookbook. Click each text box to add the recipe name, the ingredients, and the instructions. Keep ingredient lines short and consistent, and write instructions in clear, concise steps so the page stays readable. Aim for a friendly, direct voice that's easy to follow while cooking. When you're ready to add more recipes, duplicate the page. This preserves your layout and styling, giving your cookbook a consistent look from start to finish. Update the photos and text on each duplicated page with the next recipe. Fine-tune the design by adjusting fonts, colors, and spacing. Stick to 2 or 3 fonts, increase line spacing for ingredients, and make sure there's strong contrast between text and background. Align elements neatly, and leave breathing room around photos so everything is easy to read. If you need to change the order of recipes, reorder pages using the thumbnails on the left. Simply drag a page up or down until everything flows the way you want. When your cookbook is ready, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Print if you plan to print physical copies, or PDF Standard for digital use. Finally, click Download and let Canva generate your file. And that's how you create a stunning cookbook in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.